keepers, welcome back to another interesting video. So in today's video we are going to discuss the top 8 free hosting providers for 2023 part 1. If you are looking to host your website without breaking the bank, stay tuned as we unveil some great options for you. Coming in at number 1, we have 000webhost.com with its user-friendly interface and reliable services. 000webhost.com is a popular choice among website owners. Next we have freehostia.com, known for its generous resource allocation and excellent customer support. Freehostia.com is definitely worth considering. Moving on to number 3, we have Jimdo.com. Jimdo offers a range of customizable templates, making it easy to create and host your site. Now let's take a look at number 4, freehosting.com, our fourth entry. Despite being free, freehosting.com provides impressive uptime and straightforward setup process. Now number 5, we have extremehost.com with its robust features and reliable servers. Extremehost.com is a popular choice among developers and small businesses. Next on our list is Phantom.io. Phantom offers free hosting with no ads, making it a great choice for those who value a clean and professional looking website. Moving forward, we have Bytehost.com at number 7. Bytehost.com provides a generous amount of storage space and bandwidth. Perfect the hosting your site on a budget. Finally, our 8th pick is SikaHost.co with its easy to use control panel and reliable service. SikaHost offers a solid hosting solution without any cost. And there you have it, our top 8 free hosting providers for 2023 part 1. Whether you are a student, a hobbyist, a small business owner, these options can help you get started online without breaking the bank. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more informative content. And as always, feel free to leave any questions or comments down below. Thanks for watching.